Got to treat it right. I did a thing. Longer lasting color, you guys. Less fading. You think it's a game? It's not a game.
Look at that. Look how she, ooh.
It gets deep, y'all.
I'm not gonna sit up here and do that. No.
Look, you see?
Y'all know I went to hair school, so we can really get into this if you if you really want to get into it, sis.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a Slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I did a thing. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did, but I'm gonna do that right after I show love to my subscriber today. Bam! Cousin, you the bomb. This wig is from HerGivenHair. This is the Something About Mary wig. I have reviewed style A and B. I decided to do a color. I did not want to color this whole entire wig.
Why?
Because that's not what I wanted to do. That's not the style that I was going for. This is the style that I was going for. Exactly how it came out. God is truly a working God. I did a box color, y'all. I didn't want to get too complex on the color. And I'm not going through all them boxes to color this whole wig.
I'm not gonna sit up here and do that. No.
I wanted a hint of like chocolate brown in this quarter of my head. You will notice that the box color that I used looks a little bit like it's leaning towards the blonde side. I did that for a reason, you guys.
Y'all know I went to hair school, so we can really get into this if you if you really want to get into it, sis.
When the hair is dark, it has to lighten several shades to get to a certain color. I chose a color slightly lighter. Why? It has a very nice natural curl pattern, which I did not want to disturb. So I opted for no bleach. The least amount of damage. They can have a little drop of oil right there on the box and plants and botanicals. But when you are stripping color, that is a harsh process. Now, there are some processes that are less harsh than others. Yes. That's why wigs are so awesome, because I don't have to put color on my hair unless I just want to. Oh, I gave this baby a nice condition afterwards. Look, you see? You see? You see? That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do.
Look at that. Look how she, ooh. You see that?
Got to treat it right. I didn't put no blow dry to her. And yeah. It gets deep, y'all. It gets deep. Hair color is serious. But if I can get a result that I'm looking for from the box, I'm going with the box. Big shout out to HerGivenHair. Y'all love this wig. I wear this wig all the time. You think it's a game? It's not a game. Hey, this is my home. Oh, hold on. One more thing. You'll notice a spray that I use before I apply the color. It's a pre-color treatment. You want to get as much color intake as possible on each strand. That helps to do that. It's like starting with an even palette. And also there is a after color condition, kind of like a conditioner that I use after I put the color in. Longer lasting color, you guys. Less fading. I absolutely love this color, y'all. Let me come up on you. It came out so beautifully, y'all. I opted for mousse this time. I used the African Pride Moisture Miracle Mousse instead of the curl elixir that I usually use. That is because I wanted this to be more big and fluffy, which is what I get from the mousse, instead of juicy curly and smaller. The curl elixir really defines the curls. It gives you a nice juicy, like how I did before. That's what I opted for this time, and I'm gonna get y'all over to the color. Let's get it.